Welcome to Pathfinders Trainings, weekly technical analysis session. I'm Yogeshwar Vashishtha, and this is our market today. Market went up almost 220 point plus is where Nifty was, and now in the end, some profit booking is coming. And this was a rally that happened in the start in the market, and now market is slowly coming a little down. Tough day to trade, especially when the market moves much more than expected and it retraces. It is always a very challenging time to trade. Nifty that was moving about 100 rupees per day now moves about 200 rupees per day. That means your risk has actually become double in this. So I my trading is almost finished. Some of the trades are going on. See here, I've booked a 10,000 rupees of profit. This one, I think I would like to get out now and book some profit in this. I do not intend to carry anything till tomorrow with the market opening, gap up, gap down. So I would not like to take that risk. Even this position, I would like to close before the market closes. I have 10 more minutes for it. So this one I will finish. Then the other account, you guys know I trade with two accounts. This one also, I think I will book a small profit. A profit of 11,000 rupees here. Total about 24,000 is the profit. And this one also I'll close before the market closes in case we have a selling coming in the next 10 minutes. So here in this account, so it booked 11,200 rupees here, and in the stocks about 3865, mostly in SBI and TCS is where I've booked most of my profits. Now, this is also the time I don't want to be caught on the wrong side in the end. So I would take my stop loss to a strict 10,590. Okay, modify 10,590. That's true. Oh, 10. This is December Nifty. And this one also I think I'll square off. I can focus on the analysis. I've booked a profit of 10,000 rupees here. In the end, slowly the market moving down. So let's look at how this market has been in the last 1 week. So as you saw, the market came down on this level, okay, broke it decisively, and somewhere around this level, looking at this candle, it jumped from this corner. This is a wide zone where the market has come before. It jumped in this zone again. A lot of times market has come here and buying has come. It has come here, buying has come. It has come here, buying has come. It has come here, buying has come. Again, it came on this level, and again a bout of buying has come. So, but the pattern that you are seeing in this is still a flag pattern, which is a continuation pattern indicating that, and this is not a new move, it has given a move like this before also, made a bearish engulf there and continued to move down. And if you see here, it's exactly the same level from where the market started moving down today also. Two gaps on the way up, and I won't be very surprised if it comes down and fill this gap again. Very volatile market. The movement per day has almost become double in the last 1 month. and needs to be traded very carefully. So this gave some good buying opportunities, and now I think today we have you know, seen that this is where the move probably is finishing, and it might continue to move on the downward side from the upper part again back to the lower part. This is the bank nifty that we have. This is the bank nifty move that we saw in the market. So if I go into the nifty, so nifty has a very similar pattern. You see, this is the level from where nifty jumped up. That was bank nifty. By mistake I said that is nifty. So here this is again very same similar thing. If we see in the index, the nifty, see here this is again a place where they bought it, again it came down, went up, again it came down and went up, and see again it is the same level where the price came and again went up. And here when the market was going down, it left two gaps. So on the upper side, if there is further liquidity that is coming, I noted that a lot of mutual funds are doing some bottom fishing. They are buying now, liquidity moving into the market. So in case it is able to break this level on the upside, you might see it going up and filling the gap. But today, in the end, it looks more bearish than bullish to me. So tomorrow or Monday, not tomorrow, Monday would be a day when you would want to watch it very carefully. Does it move up towards this level, or does this move fizzle out here and fill this gap on the downward side? So market, again here also we see the market is volatile sideways. Right now it is neither bullish nor bearish, it is sideways. You see it is jumping down, jumping up, jumping down, jumping up. So we are in a sideways market, and still very much if profit booking starts, selling starts, it might go down. But for the moment, market very equally poised. Nifty seems to be very equally poised. It can move till this level or this level. The last candle today in the end is showing a selling pressure. Okay. So these are the two main indices, Nifty and Bank Nifty. If I look at the top 10 stocks of India, we were analyzing, working on them. So this is HDFC. HDFC is a nice buy even at this level. So I like HDFC. It's a very ethical, nicely managed finance company. So HDFC has not fallen so much, and it still looks a strong stock in this particular market. HDFC Bank has been weak. HDFC Bank is still showing signs of weakness. ICICI Bank is a very strong stock, and with Chandana Kochar leaving, there is more bullishness that has come into it. Results have been excellent, and it is trying to come to this, but this is a selling level. This is a selling level that we are seeing. So watch carefully. Breakout above this can take this stock further up. Infosys, I think, is in a selling mode. A small retracement on the upside. Expensive stock. It had a big run from 450 rupees to almost 750 rupees, and now there is some selling that is coming in this one also. ITC has been a very sideways stock for almost 2 years now. So if you understand the range of ITC, it can be traded, but it looks more like a trading stock to me rather than an investment stock. Kotak Bank is in the correction mode from this high. It has been steadily correcting, and I won't be very surprised if you see it coming further down, because it is not going up so much. even when this market tried to move up. Larsen and Toubro had results yesterday, and this one has also moved up. In fact, this looks like a good opportunity. It's almost a picture perfect double top, Larsen and Toubro, and this one is correcting on the downside. If I was having this stock, I think I would like to book my profits. Maruti was beaten down, and you can see a nice dead cat bounce happening here. And normally when a move like this comes, the rally can extend for many days, so long can be a good trade in Maruti. Reliance has been a weak stock. It is gradually, slowly moving towards the 850 rupees levels. So that, but nearby level appears to be this one. Okay, somewhere around this level, 950. So if selling pressure continues in Reliance, you can see it moving towards 950 rupees levels. TCS, another stock in which selling pressure is coming. And in fact, I made most of my money today. This was Nifty, I hear. If you look at the... Okay, I have to finish this, guys. I said I'll finish this one. So let me get out. I don't want to take it till tomorrow. So I finished this trade also. Here also 10,400 rupees of profit here. And here also no trade is left. 10, 10, 20, 21, 21, and here about 4, about 25,000, 24,800 is my profit today. It has been a nice run going on both on up and down side. Only on 29th of October, I was caught on the wrong side of the trades. I was short, market rallied up and took away each and every one of my stop loss. But my stop loss saved me. Otherwise, the loss would have been a lakh of rupees if there was no stop loss. So always trade with a stop loss. They will give you a chance to go back into the trade again here. So today I finished with 24,800. So take care on this market. The market, if I again look at the daily chart of the market, right now we are in a volatile sideways market, neither bullish nor bearish. There are good opportunities coming in undervalued stocks. A lot of mid-cap stocks have become very attractive. But any rally before elections, I will see as a opportunity to get out of my longs and initiate new shorts. So thank you very much for listening to this analysis. If you want regular updates, please subscribe to the channel. To learn more about stock market trading, I have the links below, both in Hindi and English, of a 2-hour free training. You can register there and you will receive the recording of the free trainings that I have conducted. So trade properly, invest with proper calculations, learn fundamental analysis, technical analysis, risk management, and mental analysis. See you again. Bye-bye.